question which says that if P A given B is greater than P of A, that is probability of A given B is greater than probability of A, then which of the following is correct? Okay, so let us start by noting what is given to us. It is given that probability of event A given B has occurred is greater than probability of A. Okay, let us start our solution. We know that probability of A given B has already occurred is going to be probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay, so if we put this in the given inequality, I am going to get that probability of A intersection B by probability of B is greater than probability of A. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? Probability of A intersection B is greater than probability of A into probability of B. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से एक चीज डेफिनेट है that this option B is incorrect. ठीक है, ये तो अपना आंसर नहीं होगा. बाकी के जो ऑप्शन है that talks about probability of B given A has occurred. ठीक है, so what is going to be probability of B given A has occurred? This is going to be probability of this is going to be probability of B intersection A divided by probability of A. ठीक है, तो यहां से A intersection B बोलूं या B intersection A बोलूं, बात तो एक ही है. तो यहां से I need to figure out this quantity. Now we know that all the probabilities are going to be positive. So if I divide this complete inequation by probability of A, can I say I'll get that probability of A intersection B by probability of A is going to be greater than probability of B, right? So from here I can say that probability of B given A should be greater than probability of B. ठीक है, because this quantity is nothing but probability of B given A, right? तो चलिए देख लेते हैं कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है. So as you can see, option C is correct. So let us note this down. Hence option C is correct. I hope you were able to understand this solution. Thank you.